Yo, what's good, you guys? Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Sorry for the late start. It's hella gloomy. It made me tired. But yeah, enough of that BS. Today we'll be doing the I don't know, it's like me changing my oil really quickly on a timer. The world's fastest oil change. Hell no, I wish. So we're heading over to my friend's shop right now, and yeah, I'll be using his tools. So I guess you can say daddy's money. But yeah, my stupid ass hasn't changed the oil since 216,000 miles, and has 220,000 miles. And then with these older Hondas, they're notorious for burning oil. I repeat, notorious for burning oil. Make sure you guys always stay on top of that if you have an older Honda. I mean, especially the VTEC on Hondas, bro, they burn so much oil, it's not even funny. After a while, if you don't change your oil, your RPMs won't be able to go past 3,500. It will sound like your car is like starting to bog out because it, like, you know, the rev limiter won't let you go past that. And it happened to me, I'm not even gonna lie, not now, but like a long time ago, before like I started like learning. I was just so terrified, and you know, now I always just make sure I maintain my car. Okay, but listen, you guys know that the body of my car is ugly, but I don't maintain that because I don't care anymore, because I gave up. I'm tired of people hating my car. It was innocent little R6. Alright, those lines were crazy, but you know, we got all the stuff. People always think, why would I get car supply stuff from Walmart? Okay, look, it's oil. Oil is oil. Just don't go cheap. Don't go to like those cheap little generic brands. You gotta go to the good ones. Also think about this. If you get oil from like AutoZone or O'Reilly's, like oil and oil filter, bro, it's gonna be like 50, 60 bucks. I spent about 38 bucks in Walmart for the oil and oil filter. Dad! Let me in, bro. It's cold. This is my shop. Huh?
Fuck, it came off, the wheels came off. Fuck, don't push up hard. The wheels fucking came off.
RSX gang. Okay, no, for real though, you should have seen all the progress he's done on this car. Dude, he bought this thing, and it was just like a rolling shell. He did engine swap, transmission swap. He changed he changed like the whole clutch, the clutch kit. He did like all sorts of things. He changed the seats in here. Like, dude, this man did everything. All right, bro, this is the first test of the RSX. Voila.
This is solo coilovers.
Come on, come on. How do you feel?
Good. Well, I know it runs. I just never got to test it if it drives.
Oh shit. Hold up, we're gonna jack this car up before we start, okay? I know it's cheating, but you can live with it. Life isn't that easy. I got this freaking BMW in the way, so I can't go all the way down. Okay, we're gonna find the entryway to penetrate. Set, go.
Timer's going.
I'm like a NASCAR driver. Oh shit, fuck.
Let's see this guy's skills.
This shit's tight. Alright, got it. I'm like, I don't want to get my clothes dirty. I'm being ow, it's hot.
So the clock has gone 37, 38 seconds in so far.
I'm like an inchworm. I should start off in this position right here.
52 seconds in so far.
God, oh fuck.
That shit's like water.
Dude, I told you this wouldn't be enough.
So far we're a minute in. No, but it's enough. Look, there's like
Come on, go on. Faster, faster. This shit's hot. Where's the God, oh,
shit.
God, it's hot.
Alright, drop it in. Alright, get away, get away. Get out, get out. Alright, you ready? You put the new one in? Alright.
It's not that bad.
Alright, put a little bit of oil on that ring.
Gotta lube that hole up.
The oil ring. Alright, put it in. So far we're a minute and 33 seconds in.
I'm having trouble.
Uh-oh.
I got the threads.
Almost 2 minutes in, guys.
I got the threads.
He got the threads finally. Alright, 2 minutes and 11 seconds in.
Now I gotta make sure it's extra tight. Okay, that's good.
Alright, go ahead and start putting that drain bolt back in. It's right here.
On this side. Oh my God.
Here. Put it in. Hurry up, hurry up. 'Cause- oh shit.
Dude, this is like a form exercise.
Alright, so far it's almost 3 minutes in.
That's not good.
Alright, tighten it nice tight. Alright. Alright, let's add oil now. Alright.
Dude, I made
So
a mess.
far.
I'm stuck.
About 3 minutes in.
I'm stuck.
Crawl, boy, crawl. We're at war. Alright, he's coming out. We're at 3 minutes and 3 seconds. Alright, gotta add oil. Go ahead and
Oh
unscrew that.
God, dude. That's a retarded place. Why would we put it in?
Oh shit. Alright,
Okay, wait.
get the oil. Go grab the oil, bro. Where's the oil at?
That's not.
Yeah, that'll work. Go. Alright, where's the oil? Alright. So far, we are at 3 minutes and 25 seconds.
Come on. Dude, this thing is pathetic.
Alright, go. Put it in,
Oh, what the heck?
Alright, pour.
Can you hold it?
Yeah.
Wait, I should be on this side.
Alright, go.
A lot of time.
Alright, so far 3 minutes 45 seconds in. Hold that funnel and pour like you never poured
Dude.
before.
This is such a stupid.
And just hold the funnel in one hand and the other hand you pour. Oh shoot, you're making a mess. You pour sideways too, you're supposed to pour sideways.
I know. I can't.
Oh shit.
Couldn't really access it.
4 minutes in. Already adding oil.
Oh my God, I'm so stupid. I did that.
Man, we're doing good. 4 minutes 14 seconds.
Dude, I had the normal hood latch. This wouldn't have happened.
And keep in mind, guys, we're doing this with jacks, not with a lift. With a lift, it's a lot faster. Pour in the oil. We're at 4 minutes 34 seconds. All right, now we put the lid back on.
Where's the lid at? Where's the lid?
Where'd you put it?
Oh my God, dude. I'm technically done, but I'm just stupid.
What the heck? You said we should have put it. I don't even know.
Found it.
All right, quick. Put it in. All right, we're lowering the car. We're at 4:55. We're dropping the car.
Wait, there's still oil.
All right, pull out that oil pan, and the flashlight. All right, the ratchet. All right, we're pretty much done. 5 minutes and 9 seconds. 5 minutes 10 seconds. Grab that jack. Lower it.
Oh!
All right. Car is touching the ground. We are done.
We're done.
5 minutes and 21 seconds, guys. That's got to be a record of some sort.
Look at my hands. Okay, bro, we're gonna check the dipstick. We're gonna see how Hey, it's
Perfect.
okay. Perfecto.
That's a 5-minute oil change, guys, right there.
Exactly, bro. Like, you should hire me at your shop.
Hey.
You should hire me at your shop, bro.
Alright, bro.
All right, bro. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the world's fastest oil change challenge. I don't know if it was the fastest, but it was pretty damn quick. I've never done it this quick.
Yeah.
Even though I was like hesitating stuff, but yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, comment, please.